Hi guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to add filter in WhatsApp video calls. So head over to your WhatsApp. You can see we have WhatsApp in here. I'm gonna be calling this guy, actually video calling, and once I do that you should be able to see we have I'm gonna be simply accepting that. Alright, I'm sorry about that. Alright, so here as you can see we have this option of filter, and this is the exact thing that we need. Now how do we get it? Basically I'm gonna be simply disconnecting the call now. And to get this feature, you're going to be heading over to your settings. Once you are there, you're going to be simply heading over to scrolling a bit down. You can see we have different options in here. Now, the thing that we need is this social turbo. And you can see we have this video beauty option. Make sure that this is enabled, and this totally depends on the device that you're using. Mine support this, so I'm going to be enabling this. And once you enable this, you are going to be getting filters on WhatsApp video calls. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing, and that's how you can add filter in WhatsApp video call.